Hello everyone, and once again a very warm welcome to the Prayag Study YouTube channel. My name is Utkarsh and I will be teaching you mathematics on this channel. Now today in this video we are going to learn about the relation between two numbers and their HCF and LCM. Now before this video what we had learned? We had learned about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which is also one of the important topic of this chapter, right? So now here we are here to discuss relation between the two numbers and their HCF and LCM. Now it's a very easy concept, not much harder and not something like which you have to give more time to understand. Now what does it say? It says that if you have two numbers, let's say you have two numbers A and B. So for two numbers, the product of the two number is always equals to their HCF and LCM, product of their HCF and LCM. So this A into B will be equals to HCF of AB into LCM of AB. Now this is the concept, this is the relation that we have to remember, and that is very helpful in perspective of our examination as well. Now how you can understand this? Let me take an example of two numbers. Let's say we have two numbers 12 and the second number is 18. Now if we will take the LCM of 12 and 18, how much we will get? You all are aware of LCM of 12 and 18. If you read the table of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, and in the table of 18, you will get 18, 36, and then 54. So 36 is the lowest common multiple for these two. Now what is the HCF of 12 and 18? Means which is the highest number which can divide both 12 and 18? So it is 6, right? 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18, right? So we have LCM and HCF for 18 and 12, right? So if we will multiply 12 and 18, how much we are going to get? It is equal to 36 into 6. This is what our relation says, right? Now you can verify also. Multiply with 12 into 18. 12 8s are 96. 9 will be carried. 12 1s are 12, 9, 21. So it is 216. Now on the right side also you can multiply 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 is a carry. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So 216 equals to 216. Now you can verify also that for two numbers, the product of two numbers is always equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. This is what this concept says. Now let's look at this question. Here's the question. Highest common factor and lowest common multiple of two numbers are 18 and 1782. So HCF is 18 and LCM is 1782 respectively. One number is 162, find the other. So we can say the relation says A into B is equals to HCF into LCM, right? So now one number is 162, let's say other number is B, will be equals to 18 into 1782. Now we'll get B as 18 into 1782 divided by 162. Now let's divide with 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16 and 1. Now we can divide with 3. Can we divide 1782 with 3? So 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, plus 1 18. So it is divisible by 3. So with 3, this will give us 27 and this will give us 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12. Now again 5 9 14 4 18. Again it is divisible by 3 and it is also divisible by 9 also. I will divide by 9. 9 3s are 27 and here it will be 9 6 are 54 and 5 54, 9 6 are 54. Now with 3 also it will be 22. So B will be equals to how much? Here it is 9 into 22. So we will get the second number as 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 190, 198. So this is our answer. This is the second number that we have got. So what you have to do is you have to put product of two number equals to product of their HCF and respective LCM, right? Now the second question says the HCF of two number is 3 and their LCM is 54. If one of the number is 27, find the other number. Again you can easily solve this. HCF is 3, LCM is 54, one number is 27, you have to find the other number. So 27 into B will be equals to HCF into LCM. So you'll get B as 3 into 27 by 3 into 54 by 27, right? 3 into 54 by 27. Now with 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, 9 6 are 54. So B is 6. So now you can easily verify as well. For two numbers 6 and 27, is the HCF 3? So yes, it is 3. Is there LCM 54? Yes, it is 54. So this is how we can solve this question. Now the next question says the HCF of two number is 30 and 42. The HCF of two numbers 30 and 42 is 6. Find their LCM. So here we have to find out the LCM. The HCF of the two numbers are given, that is 6. Means A into B equals to HCF into LCM, we know, right? Here we have to find out the LCM, and HCF is given for the two number 30 and 42. So write 30 into 42 is equals to HCF is 6 into LCM we have to find out. Now 6 will come on to left side, it will become 30 into 42 by 6 is equals to LCM. So how much we are going to get as LCM? We can solve it above. 6 5s are 30, 5 into 42. So 5 into 42 will give us how much? Yes, correct. So 5 2s are 10, 1, 5 4s are 21, 4 4s are 20 and plus 1 is 21. So it will be 210. So this is how we will get the answer of this question. Now, so this is all about this video. So in this video we have learned about the relation between numbers and their HCF and LCM. Now we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.